is still day 5 after the accident. I still can't go to the toilet. I've tried to use them like a little chair, but it causes me so much pain. I can't move. My leg is completely fucked. The pain is fucking surreal. I don't know how. Now I just had another dose of morphine and that calms me down, but I'm just like in a state of shock, in a state of panic every time when I feel this pain. It's insane. I never experienced anything like this. Fuck. Please send your prayers. I so hope this won't be like a distant memory very, very soon. I so hope it will be a distant memory very, very soon.